Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm a fibre artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Soumak weaving technique. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To create a Soumak plait, take a piece of roving. I have split a small amount off. And weave in on the left hand side. Wrap the roving over the top of the first warp and back through, gently pulling the roving down. Repeat the last step on each warp thread until you reach the end. Flip your roving over and do the opposite on the way back. Wrap the roving over the warp thread and twist back through and pull down. Repeat the last step until you either run out of roving or reach the end. For more weaving inspiration, head on over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. See you for more videos soon.